Okay, here's the situation. We are waking up bright and early because we have things to do. My lease is up today and we are turning back in my car. But first, I need to fix the curb rash. And spoiler alert, I do such a good job. This is a hack every car owner needs to know. I'm going to make a whole other video on the process of this, but I did buy the rim paint kits on Amazon thinking I was going to need it, but I did not need it. All I needed was two kinds of sandpaper, a low grit and a high grit one. And then I just went to town and my rims look so good now. You would never know. Now, depending on the kind of rims you have, I think that's going to depend on if you need the paint kit or not. Say you have black rims, you might need the paint kit then, but my silver rims absolutely did not. Can you believe this after? I can't. Look at it. This is kind of what it looked like before, obviously. And now look at it. Like, these are being returned. I do not need them. I couldn't be more happy. You're welcome in advance. And then here we go, off to return my car. Oh my gosh, it's official. I'm turning in my car right now. My little car. I'll miss you. Goodbye. And then we were already out and about and it was lunchtime. So I told Matt, I was like, we should go to lunch. So we ended up at the Anaheim packing district and there's quite a few places that we like here already. However, we decided to try something new. So we tried the Croft. The girl at the counter recommended the fried chicken poutine. And then we got the French onion smash burger. Oh my God, it was good. Matt needed to grab a couple things at Home Depot and I convinced him to go to the Christmas tree lot. We don't actually ever get a real tree, but I love shopping for a tree. So we came up with an idea of like, if we were going to get a tree, which tree would it be? That was kind of fun. It's our new yearly tradition. And then Sadie and I took a nap because I was so tired. I didn't get home till like 2 a.m. from California Adventure last night. I don't take naps often, but this was much needed. And then my charger for my car was delivered. So I was like, let's go set this baby up. And now we are rocking and rolling and charging. And we are energized from our nap. So we are going to start to get out the Christmas stuff. I got out all the boxes I need and I put up the tree and started to decorate it and kind of come up with my concept for what I'm going to do this year. This is my pretty tree and I always do a little something different every year. And then I have another tree that's a memory tree. Every Christmas, I give my tree a new vibe. So what I'm thinking this year is I was thinking like dark, right? I just got a fun new dark car. So I was thinking black. I have these runners I used for a previous party. So I'm thinking black, but then I was like, what can I throw in there? And I'm thinking these rose gold vintage ornaments that I got at a vintage market a couple years ago. And then some like earthy tones and then some black bulbs, which I'm gonna have to get some black ones, but I think that's gonna be a fun little vibe. But taking a break from decorating, it's caramel apple time. I love a caramel apple, but this may be the best caramel apple that exists. These sprinkles on the outside just make it heavenly. This is the perfect caramel apple. And I did not wait for this to come to room temperature. I just started cutting. So this was probably the messiest I've ever cut a caramel apple before, but it did not ruin the taste. I could not be more excited right now. This is my favorite thing I look forward to. Look at the marshmallow. Nothing better. I enjoyed the tree lights with Sadie Baby while she took a little nap and she was definitely dreaming about Jason something. And then if you've been keeping up with my Vlogmases, you know that I cannot use my dishwasher right now. So I did the dishes. And then while at Home Depot today, I snagged these Christmas scents. I love these. I put them in my tree every year. And let me tell you, when I woke up in the morning, it smelled like Christmas.